Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you episode 2 of our series, The Art of Hosting. This one is a spring brunch / lunch edition. If you saw the first one, you know I was a bit of a hot mess. I've prepared better this time, so let's see how this goes. First things first, I'm gonna start setting up the tables, lay some things out. I've got some helpers, we've prepared food. Let's just get into it. So I always use just a drop cloth, a painter's cloth, to cover these long tables. My mom does it, some of our friends do it, and it's just a really pretty way without spending a ton of money on like a linen tablecloth. And it needs to be flipped because it's stained. This is gonna be the food table, so I'm gonna display all the food here. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be nice. Yeah. So the goal with this spring brunch was to not spend any money on flowers. It's spring, there's so much growing naturally around. And so my sister-in-law has these beautiful lilacs in her yard. And so she gave me some, and now I'm gonna arrange it to be like a focal point on the table over here. I might move it, but I wanna have something in the center that gives some height that I can then build from with the rest of the table. So. Lucky for me, I just got this gorgeous glass vase that I think is perfect for this. So I'm gonna use this to make an arrangement. I do want something like big and kind of unruly. That's what's so awesome about foraging, is it just doesn't look so perfect, which I love. It looks very wild and fun. Let me move you. I mean, it doesn't need to be this full. Boom. 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 Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm just cutting off some of these dead branches. Now I'm gonna put some hurricane candles out to kind of mix within the food. Woo! Okay, I know what candles I'm gonna get. Be right back. I have these amazing like gold brass flowers, and we use them for our wedding on our sweetheart table, and I think these are so pretty for spring. Like, I'm just gonna scatter them kind of throughout. We still need to put all the food here, so these are gonna all move, but at least to get them out so we can play. Before we get the food out, I should worry about the drink table. Okay, well first I'm gonna put this blanket out. Okay. Ew. This is so dirty. This is not usable because it's stained. So I'm gonna just cover it with this linen tablecloth that I got from Zara Home. It's so pretty, I love it. It's also stained. Everything in my life is stained. But I'm gonna cover the stains with like a drink dispenser and all the things, so not to worry. This bowl I'm gonna put ice in and seltzers. I'm just cutting up some lemon, lime, and mint to put in the drink dispenser. This mixture is just super fresh, which is great for spring. This reminds me of Nana. This mint. Smell it. Smell Nana Maria. I do love how smells take you to certain memories because I'm big with smells. Everybody makes fun of me because I think of, I'm like, oh, that smells like Malta. Oh, that smells like Nana's, whatever it is. But mint just makes me think of Nana's and it makes me happy, so. If you're enjoying what you're seeing and you want to see more, if you want to refine your eye for design, access exclusive content, including extended home tours from our Design Within Reach series, and be a part of a vibrant community of people who love home and love design just like you, consider joining the Tesori Home membership. Inside of our community, we will help you refine your eye through our growing library of design resources and courses, our live calls with industry experts, and we will learn the art of homemaking and hospitality together. All of the information can be found below. You can also enjoy a 7-day free trial to make sure it's a good fit. We hope to see you on the inside. Now back to today's video. I came outside to find this crime scene. A lesson for you all. Make sure to fill your whole thing with water, not just part of it, so it weighs it down. Okay? Be right back. Okay, I want to drink this. Oh my gosh, look at it. It spilled all over here. So embarrassing. Stay, please, stay. All right, back to the drink table. This is my favorite drink dispenser. I got it from the thrift store and I use it all the time. We're gonna put you here. Yeah. I got these napkins actually from ShopRite, but I think they're such a pretty color. Actually, I'll put the drink napkins here. This will be good. This is nice. And now let me get one of my flowers. This is fun. I'll use this as a weight for the napkins.
I was filming that.
What?
I mean, that one was.
Okay, now I have to figure out what's going on here. I need to start putting food out. So I'm gonna have over here, let's maybe turn that around. It happened again. I wish I caught it on camera. I catch this like an absolute monster.
Catched it.
It caught it. But lessons learned, we're gonna have to pivot a bit. I'm gonna use this on the actual table here that we're gonna be eating on, and I'm gonna put a different arrangement there because since it's slanted, it's like spilling over and it's just not working. So I'm gonna go fill this with water a third time, and we're going to pivot. Okay. I'm thinking maybe keeping this one here because I don't want the big branches to be in the way of people talking. And I can put my David bust over here. It's not quite as high. I could also switch the purple ones. Let's see. This is one from the other day. So this one's kind of dying. I'm gonna have to put some fresh flowers in. Okay, so I could either put that there or this here. I mean, this is heavy. I don't think this is gonna blow down. Then let me just put this over here and see what this looks like. Because I feel like this is more, this could actually probably tip on here too. My only concern is it being too busy for people to sit and talk. We'll leave it like that. Going back. Okay, now this is gonna be the centerpiece then. These are all flowers I got from our, like around our neighborhood. Not from people's yards, don't worry. So I did this the other day, but that's that. Okay, this is better. Okay, friends, just went inside to make some food. I made these crepes, salad, and I'm gonna just start placing everything and styling the table. So wish me luck. I'm gonna put Nutella in here. The strawberries will go here. No. This will have the powdered sugar and the whipped cream. Okay. The whipped cream is gonna go in here. So let's do this. I think that'll be pretty. Then we're gonna have the quiche, the salad. All right, this is some sourdough that I made and I'm gonna put it here. I think I'm gonna have to move this because we have a quiche coming, we have cinnamon buns coming. What else do we have? This fruit I'll put here, okay. Is there a small table I can get? Okay. Shoot. Anyway, I keep forgetting things. I need Nutella, powdered sugar, and a spoon. I have a spoon to scoop it out.
Do you need anything else brought down?
Oh yeah, wait.
Do you want this out here now? Should I bring something to, it might be hot.
Hot. Yeah, you can put that right. Let's put it here.
Do you want,
I need butter. I need
desk.
So Nutella, oh my gosh, you know, you think you plan ahead and then it just always ends up like this. Down to the last minute. We have 15 minutes till people come. Oh. My sister-in-law made me this whipped cream. I just love how pretty it is. Powdered sugar. Come on, Lord, help me. I say, come on, Lord, help me, and I'm the one who gets myself into this. But he's still faithful to help me even when I make a mess of things.
lots of cream cheese.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, you are literally
And then,
a saint.
oh, Dominique did the cream cheese.
I hate the look of this, I think. I don't like the flowers, I think. This one. Oh my gosh! Don't come back here! No, you can literally come back. It's just a mess right now. It's not ready. Oh, thank you. I think this is good. I just need to bring the food out. And then